Here's how you can download bulk TikTok videos without Watermark. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download bulk TikTok videos without any watermarks. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first off, we're just gonna open a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You should also use Google Chrome because we're gonna need its extension for it. So the extension best works with Google Chrome. So here we are on Google Chrome. You basically need to search a TikTok profile downloader, or basically go to your extension. So I'm just going to type in right over here TikTok profile downloader extension. It should be right over here. If it's not showing for you right over here, what you can simply do is just go to these three dots right over here and go to your extensions, manage extensions, and then Chrome Web Store. Now right over here, you can just simply type in TikTok profile downloader, and right over here you'll see this. So you can pretty much use this and press add to Chrome and then add extension. And once you do this here, as you can see, it's just gonna show this. Let me just quickly lower the volume so we don't get any copyright issues if we play TikTok, because we never know. But I'm just gonna open up TikTok right over here and press open TikTok. And right over here, we'll see some sort of music videos or something like that. So I'm just gonna choose any random account just to show you how you can download it. So
ये वाला गाना
yeah, this one seems fine. I'm using any random accounts. So here, as you can see, you simply need to press on download all option. And right over here, as you can see, it says it got total of 55 videos, and all these videos are from 11 to like 28. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press download zip, and it's just gonna download the zip actually. And you actually have to wait and don't close the browser. And you can just wait till it's 100% completed, and then you'll see the videos without any watermark, or and that's how you download it in bulk. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can download bulk TikTok videos on your PC without watermark. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.